Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and real quick, I just wanted to pop on here and share a couple items that I picked up at Bath and Body Works today. So if you watched my Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale haul video, I mentioned that I might be making one more trip back to the store before the semi-annual sale is over, and that's what I did. So I just wanted to come on here and share those items with you. So if you're interested in that, then just keep watching. As usual, if you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button real quick. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to watch my content, enjoy my content, come back to my channel. I appreciate you. And so, yeah, let's see what I picked up at the store. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and jump right in. It wasn't much really at all, but because I did mention I might be going back for a second trip, I just wanted to pop on here real quick. I'm actually going to be editing some videos real soon, so make sure your notifications are turned on because the month of July is going to be on and popping. You do not want to miss what's going on over here on All Things Antonia for the month of July. So turn your notifications on, subscribe, so you can keep up with what's going on. But yeah, so I did want to follow up with you and just let you know what I picked up at the store. I mentioned that I was looking for the Coco Shea items to be on sale during the semi-annual sale, and someone had told me that they were on sale at my store. So when I went back, I asked the employee point me in the direction of the Coco Shea included in the semi-annual sale, and he unfortunately informed me that they no longer have any of those items. So I missed it once again. But while I was there at the store, I did browse around, and they were having a sale on the aromatherapy line, and so you could get the body wash, the body lotion, or the body cream for only $5 each. So I chose the body wash, and I picked it up in Comfort. This comes with vanilla and patchouli, and this is the body wash, and it says it is made with fragranced with natural essential oils and other natural fragrances, natural ingredients. The vanilla absolute is for calming the mind to encourage relaxation, and patchouli oil is used to create a sense of harmony. So together these are to help you relax. And I'm excited to try this body wash. It smells really, really good. It smells so good. So I'm excited to try that. Oh, and I need to mention that this is not tested on animals, so it's cruelty free, and that is always a plus. And then the other item that I picked up is the matching body cream, and it has the same ingredients, vanilla absolute and patchouli oil, and again it's cruelty free, fragrance with natural essential oils and all of that goodness. I didn't know they had this, so I'm thinking maybe somebody can tell me in the comment section below, but I'm thinking this is a newer product. I know they've had aromatherapy products, but I've never seen this one. You know, I've been slipping. I hadn't been up on what's new at Bath and Body Works here lately up until the semi-annual sale, so I'm kind of getting caught up on a lot of stuff that they have now. But yeah, I was so excited to find this. It smells really good, and I can't wait to try it. I'll probably do that tonight. And so yeah, this retails for $15.50 and I got it for $5. Those are actually the only two items that I picked up today. Like I said, I was in there looking for something else. They didn't have it, and so that's what I found instead. So yeah, just real quick, I just wanted to update you on that, and hopefully you were able to get out and get something for the aromatherapy line for only $5 today. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn your notifications on if you are already subscribed. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, or even if you like this setup, let me know. I'm just trying some different things here. But yeah, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.